Today we have a demonstration for making a smoked old fashioned using the Iehl Woodworking smoking kit. Alright, we have several flavors of smoke: oak, cherry, peach, and a few others. Today we're going to try peach. We have butane lighter and our burner, the cap, and the base. So we start out with just a few shavings. This takes a pinch. So here's just a little bit. We get them down in the hole there. Put that on the cup or glass. And then we burn it for about 10 seconds. And the smoke goes down into the glass. And then we have a cap, kind of snuffs it out and holds that smoke in there for a bit. And then we lift it all off. Smoking old fashioned with our garnish.